Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Polluting.
I believe that there has to be an audit. 7,812 रुपया आनीक 1 लाखाची गॅरंटी. हें कितें दाखोवन दिता? हें दाखोवन दिता की पान दुडू हें चोणे कशें हांकां ही फायन घातलेली आहा. आतां रुपया वॅल्यू आमगे देंवला. रुपया वॅल्यू जेन्ना देंवला म्हाका तरी दिसता थोडेचे जे आमदार मंत्री आहा ते युरोन हें कोताय अंडरस्टँडींग सेटिंगा आनी थोडे पुर्तुगीज नागरिकूय आहाय हेतू. सो हे युरोन सेटलमेंट करपाचें हें भोंवताय हांकां हांव सांगपाक सोदतां कुंकोळकारा तूं यू ऑल डोंट टेक देम फॉर ग्रांटेड. This is, I believe, I have been telling the government so many times there will be a law and order situation. आता हे बॅगाचें राजकारण हें बंद जावपाक जाय. कोण ही बॅग घेता? 7,812 रुपया for the turnover that they have is hundreds of crores. They are not bothered. And the minister is saying that next time strict action will be taken, they will be terminated. Why didn't you take an action now? So basically we believe that these industries have to be shut down. This is not in the interest of the state. But shocking म्हळ्यार आमी प्रधानमंत्री पासून पत्र बरयल्लें हें खरोच जालें. प्रधानमंत्रीचे सेंट्रल पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान डायरेक्टेड दिस पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड टू एक्ट. एब्सोल्युटली नो एक्शन. हेल्थ मिनिस्टराक जेन्ना हेल्थ ऑफिसर थिंगा येयले शी रोट about the way people are living there, about the conditions that are there. These are not for men. It's a violation of human rights. Basically, चीफ मिनिस्टराक हांव सांगपाक सोदतां हे जे सगळे पड सेटींग बिटींग सगळे दुसरे गांवभर करूं सोदताय आनी भोंवताय हिंगा हे सेटींग पड जाता.